This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. You've kept it real for this entire conversation, so I can't leave here. I wouldn't be a real journalist if I didn't bring this up. What happened with you and Mikeylous?
Nothing with me and him, you know. Mm-hmm. I think these rumors that I hear people been saying and send me messages to Mikeylous talk bad about me in the street. I think he's trying to make a new hit song or trying to promote some shit, cause him can't get me for this thing, because him are the first man who really ever make me hear myself on radio. Mm-hmm. So anywhere in the world, big him up and big up himself. What he should be happy about is that him try with me, mm-hmm. and I came out very successful. He tried with others and they all failed. I'm the most successful one. You understand? Mm-hmm. Then him need to remember, and when he's talking on podcasts and public places, tell people what I do for you too, because I don't just come around and take your energy. Remember, I know you from sounds, from me I play sound system, and I me that play your song them on bass of this, and nobody know I play you, because them say you're old man. And me say, no, I'm my Lord man. Them the time them never that DJ. You understand what I say? I sound me I play, but me is a man who always in the street. You understand what I say? So I always know some artists. Even Raspenko song, and me bring it from bass of this sound system. The song, even a thousand, and me bring that song there. The love surround Zamunda, and me bring it from bass of this because I'm as again. And me in the streets from Warlord International days. So anybody new and anybody fresh, me I go get them before them bust. Cause me no ride wagon, you know. You understand what I say? So basically, big up Mikeylous anyway in them, man, and bless up himself, man. Him just glad that Charlie Black came out successful, and I will never diss him. Big him up, man, make him big up himself. Anything what you want to say about Charlie Black, make him big up himself. He say what you want to say. I thank him for make GD Taylor play my song when I get to hear on the radio. There are some things that me don't really need to talk. I'm going to talk about people, Virgin. You see what I say? But he should also talk about what I did for him. And because when me boss, everywhere me go in the world, I bring him. Mm-hmm. Which artists you know will boss next artist, and when them boss them help at the next artist. I don't remember of that. Remind me. So, the first time I got to Canada by myself, I came. The first time I go I show them in New York, I came. And even when the promoters are not paying him, I say, make sure that I'm going to picture them on the flyer. Mm. Buy him ticket. Rare. So, I don't have nothing bad to say about Mikeylous. If he want to talk about me, big him up himself, man. Make him do him after. Big up yourself, Mikeylous. Blessings and more power to you. See? Right up you now, you're dead right now. You're all right. Big up.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.